Hello everyone, how are you? I think you're all great. Okay, and I'm Mahmud Shamim. I'm also fine. Today, my friend, I'm gonna tell you it's all about between and among. Okay, what's the difference between two words? Okay, I'm gonna give you some informations. Okay, about these two words. So let's see. Okay, first of all, I would like to tell you the meanings of these two words. Okay, so between means what? We say something between is I think between uh, two people, two things, two places. Okay, just we compare. Just we compare. Okay, and we can you can see, my friends, between means two. Okay, means two people, two animals, two things. When you want to use between in your daily conversation or in your daily sentences, I think if you have the proper idea and if you have the proper meanings of between, I think you can use freely. Okay, and also you can see, my friends, among means what? Okay, among we prefer naturally among when somebody or something is in a group, such as a crowd or a mass of people, okay, or things which you do not separate. Okay, which you do not separately. Okay, that means among. So you can say among means more than two. More than two means three people, three animals, or three things. Okay, so I think my friends, you understood. And what would be the reflections of among on sentences? Okay, uh, after that after between. Okay, I will discuss. So first of all, I'd like to discuss about between. Okay, let's see. Naima was standing. Naima was standing between Alice and Maud. Okay, I would like to say again this sentence for your better understanding. Naima was standing between Alice and Maud. Alice, okay, one person, and Maud also one. So between Alice and Maud, two. Alice and Maud, two person. Okay, and Naima was standing between Alice and Maud. I think my friends, between means two, and you got the idea. And next sentence. John is so intelligent. John is so intelligent between A and B. Okay. John is so intelligent between A and B. A, someone or somebody, and B, someone or somebody. Okay. Someone. Okay. Someone. So A means Jack, and B means beaver. Okay, so two person here. So John is so intelligent between beaver and John or Jack. Okay, Jack and beaver. It could be anyone. So next sentence. Our house is between. Our house is between the river and the village. The river and the village. Okay, two places. The river, one thing, and the village, one thing. So two things here. Okay, and when I think you see the place, I think this should be two, and you can use between there. Okay, and here I have written for you better understanding. Between means two person or two things or two people. So from this from three sentences, I think you got the idea about between. Okay, so next, between. Okay, between is often used to talk about distances and intervals. Okay, distances and intervals. So let's begin. So we need 2 meters. We need 2 meters. Okay, we need 2 meters between the windows. 2 meters is the length. Okay, I have told you already. Between is often used to talk about or as distances or an intervals. Intervals, that means time. Okay, intervals, that means breaks. Breaks means timing or times. Okay, so distance means length. Okay, we need 2 meters, that means length between between the windows. Next one. I will get you understand. I will get you understand by one sentence for intervals. Okay, so I'll be at the office, or I will be at the office between 9 and 11. Between 9 and 11, it is intervals. So intervals, I think means times. Okay, so intervals, between often, okay, between is often used to say distances or intervals. So when you see distances or intervals, it should be 2. Okay, it should be 2, not more than 2. So you can use easily between there. Okay, between there. So next word. Okay, I wrote here my friends, my friends to get understood properly. So among means, I have told you already. Among means more than 2, 3 people, 3 animals, and 3 things. Okay, so let's see on sentences. It's a reflection. Okay, so I'd like to say one sentence. Okay, his house is hidden among the trees. Among the trees, that means more than 2. Okay, more than 2, or more than 2 trees. Okay, so we can use among. Okay, so next sentence. Mac is so clever. Mac is so clever among the boys. More than 2 boys. Mac is a person, and so if you want to compare, it should be person. Okay, so Mac is so clever among the boys. Okay, so here I have mentioned more than 2, or more than 2 person. So next, you later is somewhere among all these papers. So more than 2 papers. Okay, so my friends, that's all for today, and it is a short video, and I think in my each short video you will get a lot of informations. I think you all know little bit informations or meanings of some words, and you naturally use these words in your daily conversations and your daily lives. But if you have the proper idea, or if you have the proper meanings of any words, okay, and differences, okay, I think you can easily make sentences, and you can feel free to talk about something to your friends, with your colleagues, or strangers. Okay, I think my friends, today I tried to discuss about 2 words, between and among, and what should be the difference. Okay, and I have told you. I think you got the informations. What am I trying to say? Okay, we're getting 2 words. Okay, my friend, that's all for today. Okay, again, to request to all, okay, to subscribe my YouTube channel, and press the bell icon, so that when you upload okay, new videos you can see. And also also uh, also I am telling you, if you have any comments or if you have any query, okay, regarding my every videos, you just write your thoughts or comments, or if you want to write something, okay, regarding my videos, if you want to understand, or if you wanna if you wanna understand something, or in my every videos, uh, if you want to learn more, so if you have any query, so feel free to ask me in my comment box, and when I will see, and I will try to give you the correct solution. Okay, so my friends, take care, bye bye.